Yeah. Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. So yeah, as you saw in the last video, got bad news coming back from Z-Line. It is a bit late in the day. It is now after 6. I'm gonna start stripping everything. Hopefully we have the head off by tonight, or at least have it ready to come off by tonight. So I'm gonna start. Usually the way I start is obviously disconnecting the battery, taking the radiator out because this is a pretty big radiator. Disconnecting the battery, then the radiator, taking all of that, tappet cover, taking off all the auxiliary wires, and then just going from there. It is a bit disappointing having to deal with the fact that car is not starting, but it's a mechanical issue. It should be something there that myself and my dad can fix. My dad are actually responsible for the swap in this car. We did everything. The car was driving before, but unfortunately we're here again. So I'm gonna get to it and take you guys with me, so enjoy. Yo guys, so this is not how far I'm gonna get for the night. I am gonna continue. I'm gonna go to Kelly, spend some time there and stuff. But let me show you how far we got. Time lapse. That is actually my dad. He just helped me remove the tensioner. So that is actually a tensioner we made. When I take the head off, I'll go through what it looks like. But basically, just turned everything on its mark. Hopefully you guys can see it, but everything is turned on its mark. Got the tappet cover off, got the exhaust manifold, and we did actually, or I noticed a bit of an issue over there. So yeah, pulled the loom out. Loom is over here, all the injectors over there and stuff. So yeah guys, I am just going to go. Sorry about the bloody dog, it's neighbor's dog across the road, not sure why he's barking. But yeah, that's how far I got so far. I am gonna try and carry on. I am gonna try and get further with this. Hopefully I can basically get the head ready to remove, so let's see. But I'm just gonna head over there and I'll catch up with you guys when I get back, so peace. Yo guys, so this is just gonna be a very short update video. Unfortunately, I didn't record us actually taking the head off or removing the manifold. The thing with this is, because this is not, the exhaust was very cheap and basically nonsense that I fitted. To get the manifold off, we have to literally cut it off. Let me show you guys. See over there, that's where the manifold was. We have to cut it every single time. This would probably be the third time. But as you can see, we did get the head off. We actually found out that number one is the issue. The ring, the compression ring is the issue. It's not on the head. So everything is going to be coming out. We're going to be stripping the motor, getting a new set of rings with this. Because there's an import here in South Africa, I actually have to source me a set of rings. So I'll go to Master Parts, they'll match up a set of rings for me, and then that will be sorted. We actually found out that the head is not the issue. The issue is on the physical rings, on the compression rings. That's where the issue was. That's where the compression issue was. So that's some good news. This is going to be a very short video. It is over here. Everything is clean and stuff. We checked all the valves, checked all the seating. So yeah, it's got some sort of good news with this whole thing. It is not the issue, compression rings is the issue. So yeah, some sort of good news. I will be doing a full video on me taking everything off, having it matched up and all of that. But I just wanted to make this short update video for you guys so that you can at least see what's going on, how far I've got. and we actually found the issue on the car. So it's not the head, it is actually the compression ring. So I'm so happy with that. Definitely video coming out next week, and hopefully I have something new coming the end of this month. I am working my butt off for this month to actually make that the reality, but might have something new coming to the channel. But yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. Keep you guys posted on the beams world. It is a bit sad. The weather's been a bit crappy here, so it's very hard to work. And plus, my dog gave birth. My Rottweiler gave birth. So she's kind of taking over the garage at the moment because of the bad weather outside. I'll definitely see you guys in the next one. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button down below. Subscribe if you haven't yet. And see you guys in the next one. So, peace.